Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic German sauerkraut using an easy method. You'll be surprised how simple it is to create this traditional, tangy dish right in your own kitchen. We'll cover the essential steps, from preparing the cabbage to the fermentation process, ensuring you get perfect results every time. Get ready to enjoy a homemade, probiotic-rich food that's both delicious and good for you. Let's get started. First, you'll need about 5 pounds of fresh green cabbage. Shred it thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch. Next, sprinkle 3 tablespoons of non-iodized salt over the shredded cabbage. Now, get your hands in there and massage the salt into the cabbage for about 10 minutes. This helps draw out the moisture. Finally, pack the cabbage very tightly into a clean 1-gallon fermentation crock, pressing down firmly to remove air pockets. Once packed, ensure the cabbage is fully submerged under its own brine. You might need a fermentation weight to keep it down. Cover your crock loosely to allow gases to escape but keep pests out. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 3 to 6 weeks. Taste it periodically after 3 weeks to find your preferred level of tanginess. The longer it ferments, the more sour it becomes. After fermentation, transfer your delicious homemade sauerkraut into airtight jars and store it in the refrigerator. It will keep well for several months, ready to be enjoyed whenever you like. Serve it as a classic side dish with sausages, pork, or even on sandwiches. It adds a wonderful tangy crunch to so many meals. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.